Hello everybody, this is Shah Rukh Khan and in today's video we are going to create the new screens of this app that is called Crypto App Design. So you can see that in the first part we have designed an onboarding screen, the second one is sign up and the sign up flow here, and the third one is sign in. So after that we have three more screens that are related to authentication. So let's just create that three screens.
Show me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being hooked up to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. If you kept it beside along my heart. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. I do. Show me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being hooked up to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You kept it beside along my heart. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Are you falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Being myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
Alright, so the design is done for all the three screens that were important to design for the authentication process, and this screen shows all the features, and from here we can see the flow of the user, that how user will go through the authentication process. And here we have designed three screens. All right, so let's do a prototype because it's very important for the user flow. So when user click on this forgot, it will navigate the user to reset password, and this is the connection of the wireframes, like just like wireframes. It's not wireframes, it's the UI design, but it's like prototyping. Okay, so this is the user flow. When we like user click on the back button, it will move, it will navigate the user to back screen, and this is the prototype. Let's check out. Okay, when I click on this button, let's dive into the crypto. So yeah, it will navigate the user to the next screen. Yeah, okay, and we can also move navigate the user from the screen to login as well from the top, and the button was dim, if you can see. Okay, so after that, if I forgot my password, I will click on it and I will submit the email, and I can go back as well from the top back button, and from here when I click on login, it will navigate me to the pin code. So this was the prototype to understand the user flow. Okay, so thank you so much and have a good day. We will meet you in the next video, and please subscribe the channel. Once again, I am requesting